Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Joelle Silva and I make videos all about business, finance, and whatnot. So if that's your type of jam, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also click that notification bell so you do know when I do upload, and follow me on all my social media. I'm at Joelle Silva. Let's go ahead and get started with the video. Okay, so today's video is going to be all about my project panning. I started this project pan back in March, but I fell off the bandwagon just because COVID hit and I just, I wasn't really much motivated back then. But I started it in September and I'm doing my update for October, so we have pretty exciting progress, I should say, for this month. We're gonna be going ahead and get started. So I guess I'll leave for the exciting stuff towards the end. I'll be just updating the other stuff, and then I'll be rolling in 3 new products. So I finished 3 and you guys will see that towards the end. So let's go. So the first thing that I want to show you guys is my hyaluronic acid moisturizer. So this is the It Skin moisturizer. Yeah, my moisturizer. I don't know why I just lost my train of thought right there, but this is my moisturizer. I feel like I've gotten so far with this. I'll be posting before videos and obviously after, so this will be the after part. So yeah, so I've gotten pretty far with this. I've been using it consistently every single day. The thing with this is that, it's moisturizer. I do my skincare every single day without fault. There are times where I might do it at night and I might not, just depends on my mood, to be quite honest. But every single morning I do my skincare, so that's how I was able to get so far. So I'm thinking my projection for October is I will be able to finish this by the end of October. So I'll be bringing in a new moisturizer for me to finish. So I know some people do a separate project panning for skincare. I put them all together just because for me, skincare is something I feel like we all use every single day, but when it comes to makeup products, it's kind of like we have so much that it's so hard to finish. But skincare is something that you use twice a day. If you do your whole cleansing, toning, moisturizing, and whatnot. You use it kind of like twice a day, so it's kind of obvious for you to finish that unless you don't do skincare. But when it comes to makeup, you just do it once a day and then that's it. So it's kind of harder to get through. But I put it all in one little section. But yeah, so I'm almost done with that and I'm pretty excited for next month. Okay, so the next item that I chose to do in my project pan was my Smashbox Studio Skin 24. So this is kind of hard to track just because it isn't a tube. I haven't seen any indication that I have been finishing it up. I can feel that I still have a lot in there. I don't think I'll be making I'm not sure if I'll be able to finish this by December. I'm hoping so. It's kind of hard to use up a lot of concealer just because I don't put so much under my eyes, and I try to. And the thing is that this formula is very, very good when it comes to the amount that you need. So I don't feel like I need a lot in order to cover my bags. So for me, it's kind of hard to get through this, but I will try my hardest and see how far we get in December. So yeah, there's not much progress on this. So this one's not that exciting. Okay, so the next item is my NYX Studio Sun-Kissed Radiant Powder. I'm not sure quite exactly if this was supposed to be kind of like an overall powder. I use it more as a bronzer, and I will show you the inside. I have not hit pan yet, and I'm not quite sure if I will be able to hit pan by the end of the year, but I guess we will see. I feel like there's a little bit of a dip, but not quite much. So you guys will get to see the September update and this update and see the difference. But yeah, that's how far I've gotten with this. I've actually really, really liked this. So I'm not quite sure if I will be repurchasing this. I feel like I have better bronzers. So once I finish this, I feel like it's just gonna be just that. This is like one of my old, and this is kind of like one of my oldest bronzers as well. So, but it's good. does what it needs to do. When it comes to this one, this is the e.l.f. Prime and Stay Finishing Powder. The thing with this is I have like a pretty big dip right here, but the thing is that the actual product has a hard pan. So I'm not sure if that means if it's expired or if I just need to scrape the top part. Can you guys let me know in the comments, please? Because I would like to finish this by the end of the year, but if it's expired, then I don't think I should finish it up. But I've made a pretty big dip in here. I feel like by the end of January, by the end of by the end of this month, I feel like I should be hitting pan. Like, it's so close, I can see it. It's a pretty big dip. But yeah, but just please let me know. So that's another one that I'm pretty excited for. And I did notice that this is not my shade. It's actually a lot more darker than what I really am. So it's kind of weird because I put it underneath my eye and you can tell that it's two different tones of my foundation and the powder. But it's fine. No one's seeing me. I'm at home, so I don't really care. But yeah, I have concerns about this one. I feel like I will need to start tracking it just because it's kind of hard to see how far I've gotten with this, because this is the Kiss and Smink little blush stick. It's called the Everything Blush Stick. I tried using it as a lipstick. I didn't really like the color, but this is how far I've gotten with the actual stick. I don't think there has been much progress, but I wouldn't quite really know. So I will start tracking it on a piece of paper and just seeing how far I get. I'm hoping in I'm hoping in November that I do make more progress. When it comes to my makeup, I feel like I just do it almost, I want to say like twice a week if I really feel like it. There's days where I just do my skincare and call it a day, and there's days like today and yesterday where I do my makeup and I'm like really in the mood for it. So I haven't been reaching this that much, but I plan to in November, and I plan to track it. So yeah, next month should be a lot more interesting. Okay, so another product that I am trying to project pan was this Gigi Hadid Maybelline palette. So I've hit pretty far with this palette, especially this shade right here. I don't know if you could see that little dip right there. So I feel like with a couple more uses, I could probably get very, very far and maybe even hit pan. I'm not quite sure because the pan kind of looks a little deep. Like, yeah, it looks a little deep in there. So I'm not quite sure if I will be able to hit it by the end of October, but it's a goal. So we'll see. And then with this one as well, I've gotten a little bit of a dip right here. I haven't really been using a lot of these shades, but I do plan to. But my plan is to try to hit pan on one of these shades and eventually just use up the palette and then toss it out. Other than that, I actually really have enjoyed this, and I love how small and compact it is. So, okay. This is the last product, and then we'll be getting into my rolling in products and the products that I finished up. So time for excitement. Okay, so this is the EOS lip balm that I added into the project pan. I feel like I have a lot of progress with this. I will have to see the before and after shot, but looking at it in the camera, I feel like I made a lot of progress on this. So lip balm, I feel like lip balm is just one of those things that you can constantly reapply and reapply and reapply. So you're getting multiple uses in 1 month, and especially right now that it's dry in California, I've been reaching for this a lot. But the problem with this, I feel like the formula is not really moisturizing, and I feel like it dries out my lips even more, that I keep having to go back into this product. So once this product finishes, I probably won't ever purchase this again, because even then I still have a lot more other lip balms that I need to get through. So yeah, but I really like the smell and I can't wait to finish it. So I feel like by December I should be towards the end on this. So now for the most exciting part. So I finished 3 products. One of them I don't have anymore because unfortunately it actually went bad, so I had to toss it, and I didn't want to show it because it kind of got a little bit disgusting. And it was the Core Organics eye roller. Unfortunately, that thing did expire, so I had to toss it. I don't want to show disgusting expired stuff, so I just tossed it away. So that means I'll be bringing in 1 new product, and I did finish 2 other ones. So these 2 I were able to complete. The first one was this Pearl Essence Calm Lavender Chamomile Facial Tonic. So I did finish it. Did get to finish this, so that's pretty exciting. I'll be adding this into my empties basket, so if you want to see my review on it, you're gonna have to wait for that. So I did finish that, and another thing that I did finish was my Victoria's Secret Velvet Petals. This is the most exciting thing ever because I've been having this product, I want to say, in like the 9th grade, and I'm 24 now, so I've had it for a really long time. But perfumes don't really expire, they last between 10 years. So yeah, but I was really excited too. I tried my hardest because I was just down to the bare minimum, and I was like, I need to finish this product. Like, I can't be holding it on for another 10 years. So I would spray my room every single day with this because I'm not going to be spraying myself. I'm not going anywhere. So I would just spray my room to just give it some, I don't know, kind of like a room mist type of thing. And yeah, I finally was able to finish it, and I'm pretty excited about that. I get to put this also into my empties bag. The 3 new products that I will be rolling in for the month of November is, I'm not sure if I will be able to finish them by the end of December, but I'm just going to roll them in anyways. So the first product is one of my primers. This is the L'Oreal Lumi Lotion. I actually really like this. I feel like I don't have much in here. Oh my gosh, actually it was 4 products that I finished. Now that I'm remembering, I did have a lotion that I finished. Let me grab it. I know I have it. So because I forgot to add an extra item into the project pan because I forgot that I finished this product, I have one more thing to add, and this is the thing that I've been using aside. So it's been unofficial of me trying to do this on my on my own, doing a project pan. So it's been unofficial for a little while, but today I'm gonna make it official that I'm gonna include it in this video. So this is my Gigi Hadid mascara. I've been trying to finish this up because I have so many mascaras that I'm just trying to just get out of the way. Mascara is just one of those things that expire really quickly. You have about 3 to 6 months of use depending on the type of formula that you do have. So for this one, I'm really going to try my hardest to get through with it. I don't think I have much left on this, so I think maybe by the end of December I should be done with it. If not, it's okay, we'll just roll it into 2021. But yeah, so this is one of these products that I'm officially counting it as a project pan. But let me go ahead and go back to what I was saying. So this is the L'Oreal Lotion. So this is kind of like a primer for the face. I actually used it today. I don't have a lot left in this. I probably have like a good 3/4 of it left. Will I finish it by the end of the year? Probably not. We will see. Or maybe I will, actually. It seems like it's 3 months is pretty good to try to finish this up if I use this consistently every single day. So it'll be a plan. It's called project planning for a reason. So okay, so yeah, so this is one of those things that I'll be adding to the collection of things that I am working on. So that's one. Another one is a AOA highlighting halo highlighter. So this one, I have 2 of these, and I would like to finish at least one of these. I have so many of these AOA Studio like blushes and highlights and stuff, just because when I used to go to Texas every single year, I would go to the specific store who would sell makeup for $1, and I would buy so many because it was $1. Come on, guys. And so I have so much stuff from them, and I would really like to finish a lot of stuff. I would like to get through a lot of my makeup. So this is one of those things that I will be trying to hit pan on, and this is in the color Allure. So yeah, so it's a highlight. Highlight is kind of one of those things that's pretty hard to finish. If you guys haven't watched my makeup inventory, you guys should go watch it, because I counted through and went through every single item in my makeup, and I went through my entire makeup collection and I filmed it, we counted it, and you guys get to see the most embarrassing thing I probably ever filmed, which was how excessive my collection is and what I plan to do by the end of 2021.
You can see this that I built Titanic. You like it, guys? It's pretty cool. Alright, continuing on with the video too.
Okay, so You guys should probably go watch that video. I'll link it in the cards. So this is another one of those things that you guys got to see in my makeup inventory, that I have a lot of foundation that I would really like to get through. So this is the Tarte Double Duty Beauty. And with this, I know there was a lot of controversy with this specific foundation. I bought it a while back, and I'm pretty... Why did I do that? I'm pretty far with how much I've gotten with this formula. I want to just get through with it because this is not one of those formulas that I particularly like. I'm not going to be hate panning. I'm not going to be just using it just to finish it up. I'm going to try my hardest. It's just the formula, it's very wet, and not in like a glowy type of way, just in a way that it's like, it feels kind of sticky to the hair and kind of tacky. Like, it never really fully dries down. And I feel like when I put on my bronzer, I can feel it just, my skin just rubbing together when I apply my brush because of the tackiness on my skin. So it's not one of the formulas that I really like. It's not very hydrating either. Like I said, it just feels tacky, not glowy, if that makes any sense. So it's not one of my favorite formulas, but I think I could handle it enough to try to finish it up just to get it out of my collection. So yeah, this is one of those things that I'll be adding to the collection. Anyways, so that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, click the notification bell so you do know when I do upload, and follow me on all my social media. I'm at Jalisava. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye! Mwah.